Have you ever sat at your desk and thought, is ChatGPT going to replace my job by Friday? Yeah, me too. But what if I told you that AI is not a villain here? Let's talk about why my coding job feels safer now than ever before. Hey folks, welcome to my channel. For the past year, I've been wrestling with the question, is AI coming for my career? I've questioned CEOs, tested every AI tool out there, and even panicked at 2 a.m. Googling how to outsmart robots. But here's the spoiler, the future is way cooler than the fear-mongering TikTokers want you to believe. Let's get real. Last month, I watched AI debug code faster than I finished my coffee. Scary? Hell yeah. But here's what keeps me up at night. What if we're asking the wrong question? AI is like an overcharger intern who copies the actions and behavior, good and bad. Sure, it can write the script, but can it tell me why my app's users hate that button? No, I don't think so. Can it handle a client who changes their mind 5 times a day? You should ask my therapist. And here's the aha moment. AI is the power tool. Like a hammer, we are the craftsmen. Using it will save us a lot of time if done wisely. Instead of wasting hours of doing things manually, you can now focus on much more valuable tasks, like finding where does the bottleneck in the process lie, or what is the most efficient way to improve it, or how would a solution look like if we were thinking out of the box. And coding? GitHub's Copilot is great for boilerplate, but it struggles with long contexts and creating something that is truly new. AI can help you to write the code, but it will still need human in the loop at the driver's seat. And here is where it geeks out. Did you know that we'll need AI whisperers by 2025? Imagine teaching robots empathy or becoming a cybersecurity poet who stops AI hacks with code that is half math, half art. My take? The best jobs will be remixes, not separate from AI, but not overtaking it by it either. Like DJs blending tracks. We'll mix coding with creativity, logic with gut instincts. Here's an analogy. In industries like healthcare, imagine a doctor using AI to spot tumors while holding a patient's hand. That's the future I'm betting on. Not replacement, but an upgrade. So, will AI take your job? If you're doing work that can be done by a robot, maybe. But if you are solving messy human problems, you are irreplaceable. Will you need to adapt? Absolutely. Is that a reason to panic? Nah, the game is changing. But honestly, I've never been more excited to hit the refresh. Are you in the team bring on the robots or the team unplug everything? And if you are craving more humans versus AI drama, hit subscribe, let me know in the comments, and let's figure out this together. Just one ask, please keep the robots away unless you use them to bring snacks.